today I will show you how to install Red Hawk tool in your Kali Linux in Android. So first make your terminal update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. After that press enter. After that it will ask for you Y or N. You have to type Y. If you type Y, it will get installed. After that, copy this code. Okay, I given this code in my Telegram channel, guys, so please visit there and copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, copy this one, copy this clone and clone it in your terminal. Okay, I already installed this one, guys, that's why it's showing for me like this. After that, it will take some time in your terminal, guys. After that, copy the second command. Okay, copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, now you are in the Red Hawk directory. Okay, now you are in the Red Hawk directory. After that, install apt install pip. Okay, it will take some time in your terminal, guys. I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. After that, you have to copy the fourth command. Okay, copy it again, paste it here. Okay, it will take some time in your terminal, guys. After that, copy the fifth command, last command. Okay, copy this command. After that, press enter. Okay, after that you test automatically the tool will run, guys. Okay, if you want a full practical video in the of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel, guys. So thanks for watching. This video is only for educational purpose. Okay, so here I'll show you on the installation process. Thanks for watching.